What's going on everyone, my name is Tom and welcome to the Dreadlabs channel. Dreadlabs is a creative hub where you can learn about graphic design, music, fashion and art. On this channel I upload tutorial videos on how to create this fake 3D effect using only 2 colors, podcasts.
Tell people to go on your mailing list or on your website rather than asking them to follow you on Instagram.
Challenge videos, I guess. Okay, I do like this, and there's it. Damn! The last action that I did was actually right before the timer went up and more. I also have a second channel that's music related where I upload FL Studio tutorials, DJ sets, live synthesizer jams, and guides, how to get more bookings as a DJ. If you ever want to become a better designer, a better musician, or make a living out of doing the things that you love, then this is the channel for you. I've always been into creative practices in general. I've been a graphic designer for 8 years, a music producer for over 13 years. I do DIY fashion and clothing and merchandise in my free time, and basically I want to share this passion with you. At the time of recording this video, I have over 100 tutorials in software such as Photoshop, Illustrator, Cinema 4D, After Effects, Procreate and many more. On Fridays I usually do a live stream where you can see my full unedited creative process. Ooh, this is also pretty cool. What do you guys think? Of course there's also a mental part of being creative. You need to learn how to cope with burnouts, know where to find inspiration, and also learn how to make friends with the same creative passions as you. That's why I also make guide videos and podcasts about these very topics. Basically make a schedule, draw down blocks of your day, and fill them in with what activity you're going to be doing that day. Besides my YouTube channel, I also have a website where you can find creative assets for your next project, a Discord server with over 3,000 creatives, and I also have a Patreon page where you can get access to all of the project files from all of my tutorials. I am based in the Netherlands where I host get-togethers for creatives where they can meet up, sell their products, and showcase their work. So does this sound like something that you've been looking for? Then consider subscribing and ring that bell button so you'll never miss a new video.